How to withdraw funds from Temu. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to temu.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now click on the option of Orders and Account. There, click on the option of Credit Balance. From here, you can view your current credit balance. Temu credits are shopping credits that can be used to pay for orders on the Temu app or temu.com. Your credit balance can only be used for purchase on Temu. You will not be able to redeem your Temu credits for cash. Credits in your Temu account will never expire. Another thing is Temu credits are non-transferable and cannot be moved from one Temu account to another. As you can see, there is no facility in which you can withdraw funds from Temu as of now. However, if your order is refunded to credit and you want to change the refund method to the original payment method, there is a way on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you do not use the credit that has been returned. After that, you want to immediately contact the customer service for more help. For this, you can simply click on the Contact Us option. Once you click on this option, you will be connected with the Temu customer service. You can simply send them a message and then let them know about this issue. Then they will help you refund your funds in your correct payment method. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.